My embarrassment. This is my garden. And I planted in containers. I put some hay down, which seemed to help with some of the weeds, but most of it got overgrown before I even had a chance to do that. It was awesome. That's my poor tomato plant is kicking the last. I think so. Still trying to produce some, but yeah, we've had very little rain. Let me put this up here without trying to break that. There we go. I'll put you up there. Yeah, it did. It got overgrown quickly. Some a few. Yeah, this one is. Well, it's still got some green on it. I don't know what's going on with that. Stupid plants. You just had to grow up in here, didn't you? Oh. Anyway, this is my acorn squash. So far, it just like boof. I'm gonna step on it. It's coming out here, and I've got some. Here, I don't know if y'all can see this. I got some. Yep. Got some growing in there. And then I thought this plant was dead. See, I don't have weeds growing in here. It's all growing around it. So I guess that's your benefit. But this zucchini decided to grow some more green. I'm just going to let it do what it's going to do. This one's completely gone. So I'm actually going to pull that. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh no. It's like half of it's in there. Okay, it's got little babies. Now what should I do? I killed it. Oh no. I killed the babies. Oh, well, I was going to do an experiment. Oh my goodness, I am so sorry. Any of y'all that ever did this, just tell me, what should I do? I haven't taken it out yet. Maybe if I move this stuff over. Here, I'll do that. Move this stuff over. And I'll pick this up and place it in there. And I'll give it a good water. And, oh my goodness. Trying to do this one-handed. Yellow. I don't know. Alright. Do that. Give her a good water. See if we can turn her back. Okay, I'm going to put you down for a second, y'all. Maybe. Or I'll come back and do that. Anyway. And my cherry plants. Oh boy. I got lots of cherry. Lots and lots of cherry tomatoes. But it took over that. I had tried to grow some tomatillas. They did not do very well. None of this is actually in the bins. Oh, it's growing around the bins. But this is my embarrassment. This was my little container garden. And not big enough to get a mower in here, so it's one of those gardens that went wild. And there's my rosemary's still there. And I had, back in here, yeah, I got a weed in there. Start jerking things out. What's that? What is that? Oh, my garlic was back there. Looks like it's gone. See, tomato plant's still trying to produce tomatoes, but they are getting smaller and smaller. Alright, there's my embarrassment, y'all. But I planted that for my fall garden, and that is my acorn squash. I'd be very happy if I get a couple. I'd be extremely happy. I'll save some seeds and I'll have acorn squash, which I absolutely love. Acorn squash done in the oven. Give me cherry tomato. Very good. Very good. Okay, I'm gonna water that plant just on the off chance I didn't kill it. And it's got a couple of more baby zucchinis on it. We'll see if it come out. So, don't laugh. This is what's left of my garden. This is what happens when you can't get out here every day to clean it up. This stuff Oh my god, this stuff is just like everywhere. I wonder if it's edible. Don't know. Alright, Tata from Kentucky. Love y'all.